Welcome to WoW Earth. Are you ready to delve into the awe-inspiring power of nature through historical disasters? Most horrific natural disasters caught on camera will be today's topic. Join us to experience heart-stopping moments like never before. As soon as the homeowner left, a mysterious wave swept through the house. Luckily, no one was hurt.
Oh my god.
Holy shit,
The road shook, warning drivers to slow down. Right after, rocks came tumbling down the mountainside. It's hard to imagine what would have happened if he hadn't stopped the car and reversed. You could say he was truly blessed. Texas looks like it stepped out of an Alfred Hitchcock horror movie.
oh my god, look. Oh my god.
Millions of birds boldly occupied the parking lot, unafraid of human presence.
That's gonna keep coming. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, there you go. Oh, whoa! Oh my god! Oh, my god! Look at this run! Oh! Oh my god! Holy shit!
Security camera footage from Bodrum reveals the unexpected danger lurking within the city. Fortunately, drivers managed to evacuate in time.
不是，那个好像是它电线被吹了，电线是电线。
Not only forests, but an entire village was engulfed in flames in Zabaykalsky Krai. 40 houses were destroyed by fire, raising urgent questions about forest fire prevention measures and disaster response. Sahara dust turned the sky a vibrant orange across Athens, Greece. A powerful dust devil blew away an inflatable bouncy in China. This serves as a wake-up call on the importance of ensuring safety around children's play areas. Recently, provinces in southern China have been hit by storms and strong winds. An automatic station in Fujian recorded gusts of 50 meters per second, while in Guangdong, winds exceeded 30 meters per second. A few days later, the entire area was submerged in water, like a river. Residents and authorities are now facing the task of recovering from the losses. A 30-foot wave unexpectedly surged onto the California coast.
Jesus fucking Christ!
The landslide disaster in Atomy was the result of a combination of unstable geological conditions and unusually high rainfall, leading to the collapse of the mountainside. Warnings from experts were issued beforehand, and they became a reality. Heavy rain caused the Mudhebe province to experience prolonged flooding for several days. Buddy, you better stay in the car. Major floods are occurring consecutively worldwide. Following Dubai and China, Brazil is perhaps the country suffering the most severe consequences from nature's wrath. There is an explanation for the disappearance of ice at the two poles. They moved to Texas this summer.
Oh my god, I can't see anything. Oh my god, my mirror! I caught that on video!
The Ruang volcano, located off the coast of Sulawesi Island, Indonesia, continued to erupt ash and lava on the morning of April 30th. This marks the second eruption of the volcano in the past half-month. The Indonesian government has raised the volcano alert status to the highest level and evacuated over 12,000 people living on a nearby island.
Oh Tuhan, astaga.
A sudden avalanche in Vermont sent tourists fleeing in panic. A strong, gusty storm wreaked havoc in Sao Paulo.
Mano! Nossa! Ó, velho! Olha isso! Nossa! E no que o vento tá fazendo, velho?
Attention adventure enthusiasts. Volcanic mud eruptions are not only visually stunning, but also extremely dangerous. Avoid getting too close or venture into areas with mud without protective gear. The sandstorm in China serves as clear evidence of the increasingly unpredictable climate phenomenon. The overnight flooding in Margate, South Africa, resulted in severe consequences on roadways. When a tsunami struck, the boundary between land and sea was immediately erased. Then, water began to pour into the mainland. OMG! The apocalyptic scene in the sci-fi movies had a real-life version. The city of Miyako in Japan fell victim to the Black Tsunami in 2011. A landslide could occur after the landscape of an entire area. Sensors placed at an altitude of 1,517 meters on Alpucerra detected an increase in movement of approximately 700,000 cubic meters of rock towards the valley, with the displacement speed reaching up to 40 millimeters per hour. I guess geologists would have to update the map afterward. This unbelievable scene happened in Orenburg, Russia. Russian authorities urgently called for the evacuation of thousands of residents as major rivers overflow due to a historic flood. The water would recede, but the significant amount of mud left behind might be a big trouble for Brazil to recover from these landslides. A huge shelf cloud was about to swallow Georgia.
amuvalo kulo kunishikadanyana na uli henhlanyana lona ela gona.
A camera captured the moment when a flood rushed through a hospital in Nebraska. A storm struck Guangdong Province, the second largest economic center with 127 million people in China. Causing widespread flooding and forcing tens of thousands of people to evacuate. Many rivers in China have exceeded the alarm level. Authorities have issued warnings about floods occurring once every 100 years. Heavy rain and landslides have caused many houses to collapse, roads to be blocked, and rescue efforts are still underway. Out of nowhere, an earthquake hit while the entire city was asleep. When they heard the alarm bell, doctors quickly got the kids out of there. Meanwhile, the nurses decided to stick around and make sure the babies were safe. The sandstorm swept away the peaceful beauty of Xinjiang, revealing nature's harshness. Here's the CCTV footage of the wave flooding a seaside restaurant. A tornado swept away a concrete pillar, leaving residents and drivers stunned. Typhoon Makala blew out the windows on the 27th floor of a building in Fuzhou, China, trapping 3 people. Firefighters promptly arrived and safely rescued them. Large waves caused by Hurricane Maria pierced through the sturdy walls. Vehicles and homes were submerged in water, fortunately with no casualties. Heavy rain caused a pipe to burst at a restaurant in Claremont. Customers there had an unforgettable experience. The village of Mundakium suffered significant damage as floods swept through. Residents quickly grasped the situation to cope with this emergency. The Bees River made history by touching the Victoria Bridge, built in 1877. The worst earthquake in 25 years in Taiwan was keenly felt in the city of Hualien.
Underneath the sea.
Believe me, this is an extremely rare event, and very few people have the opportunity to witness
Underneath the sea.
such a stupendous submarine volcano. The Frøya coast in Norway experienced the full force of Hurricane Inga, with wind speeds reaching up to 175 kilometers per hour. The sacred symbol of the Badamlik Mosque collapsed before nature's wrath. A landslide blocked all traffic in the San Bernardino mountain region. Although everyone was safe, the large amount of debris would pose a significant obstacle for the residents. This was not a drill. It's crucial to educate and guide students so that they can protect themselves in the face of any unexpected event. In this video, you'll see the scene of giant waterfalls cascading down the roads in Wadi Al Satan in 2023. Along with that, Dubai also endured a major storm. Footage captures the sky before the storm hit. The storm caused the largest recorded rainfall in 75 years in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. With the amount of rain in 24 hours nearly equaling the country's average rainfall over 2 years. As a desert nation with very little annual rainfall and consistently high temperatures, the UAE has been a pioneer in artificial rainmaking solutions. However, scientists have ruled out the possibility of this causing historic flooding. They believe that the increasing global temperatures are leading to large rainfall events worldwide, including in the UAE. Turkey was once a thriving country with bustling cities and towering skyscrapers. However, nature has stripped the people of all that. Once a historical landmark in the city of Malatya, now we only have memories to cherish. This moment wraps up our collection for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our content. And if there's something specific you want us to cover in future videos, drop a comment. We're all ears.